add some water and let it get cooked. You can put it in a pressure cooker. I'm cooking it in the kadai itself, so I'm letting 2 eggs. I'm letting 2 eggs get boiled. So now I'm going to check whether it's cooked well. Once it's done, I'm adding half cooked rice. So I'm not letting the rice cooked well. So I'm just putting a half cooked rice here and getting it mixed. That's going to get dum. So I'll close the lid and cover the hole. Give a mix in between. So that's almost done. Serving the lunch. So that's a hot veg biryani with egg masala. I have boiled the eggs and fried it with a little oil with some masala like turmeric, red chili powder, and egg masala powder with some salt. You can add pepper for more spice. So that's Kada immunity booster. I'm making it for the post lunch. So that's done. So I have squeezed the lemon in my cup, filtering it, and will be giving it a mix after adding 1 teaspoon of honey. So that's all for today. That's a very simple vlog on a lunch. Like, share, and subscribe.